Protecting my peace for so long, a little too good, now I'm solo. Watching reruns of the same shows. Almost every party I'm a no-show. Even with green lights I don't go. Never been sure, no I don't know.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today's hair sponsor is Ashimary Hair. I have collaborated with them so many times on my channel. I have a 26-inch 13x4. This is a full 13x4, so it goes ear to ear. It's the same width all throughout, which is amazing. And the body wave texture and the color is reddish brown.
How does everybody has to let go of the ego? Don't go out nearly as much as I should. Barely know the way around my neighborhood. I'm ruminating, I feel no good. Not living life like I know I could. Like I know I could. Like I know I should. Like I know I could. Like I know I could.
I did do my eyebrows. I got them not microbladed. What is it called? Powder brows. Okay, I got my eyebrows powder browed, like ombre browed, like, you know, the tattoo that I probably shouldn't have done, but I did it anyway. So if you see my eyebrows looking a little crusty, that is why. You know, you can't peel it, you can't touch it.
Like I could if you would show me. Yeah.
The Ebon Lace Bond. I haven't used this in a while. This used to be my go-to, so I know it's not gonna fail me now.
If you would show me, yeah, yeah. If you would show me, yeah, yeah. I spent so much time daydreaming.
Some people like to go straight, like straight across. I like to kind of just curve it. And that's what we want to see. I'm gonna spray a little spray. Right amount of sideburns, I think. I'm gonna use this Ebon spray. What I like to do is spray it and then hold and then I mold. Works every time. I didn't know how to do baby hairs for the longest. Spray on your finger, dab it like right on the lace and on the start of the baby hairs. Hold it for a couple seconds, then let go. Brush, so hold and then you mold while still holding it down. This technique is the easiest way for me to do my baby hairs.
So now I don't know how I'm feeling. Don't know who's the real me. Might need my help and I thought I knew.
We're just gonna go ahead and melt her down and do, you know what? You guys already know. We're doing a bust down.
I can see it. Need me feeling. More believing. Less this.
Anytime I use a wax stick, it tends to make the root look darker, and that's not the look that I'm going for this particular style. Any kind of oil-based product on a colored wig is going to darken the wig, and it's gonna make it look like you have a shadow root. That's not the look I'm going for, so I'm just gonna go in with some of this watery gel. I don't know what they did, but they definitely changed the formula on this. But I do need some sort of styling product, so that's what we're gonna go in with. I'm gonna hit it with the hot comb also. Ooh, hot, hot, hot.
If you show me, yeah, yeah. I might need therapy too. Help dilute all the bad news.
Okay, so we can't see the part, so we need to open up the part. I'm gonna go in with my favorite palette. I do like to use a little angle brush, and I'm gonna pick the colors that look like scalp. And we're gonna see. It's like magic. If you're like me and you don't like wearing ball caps, just invest in a good palette or powder. You can use concealer if you want, but I think powder is better because concealer does sometimes transfer to your like hair underneath, and why would you want that? It's also harder to remove from the lace.
I just can't deal with the lose-lose situations you have to go through.
I'm gonna touch up any areas where looks like it needs more.
Million times, 'cause I tell myself all the same lies. I might need therapy too.
I'm gonna come back when we have this hair curled. I do like to sometimes use some BioSilk when I'm combing through my curls, because I don't use like hairsprays, but I do like to use the Bio Silk just to put it through my hands like this, and then I'm gonna comb through the curls. You guys can't even see the full length.
Under the lights, you look so amazing.
Of course, if you want the wig to flow a little better, cut some layers into it, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. Oh, it's hot. That looks good. It's a beautiful wig right here. So tempted to cut some layers. Guys, this looks so cute.
Like that makes me wonder why we separated, or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby, might let you take me back. Take me back, baby. Take me back, baby, baby, baby. Take me back, baby. Hindsight, take me back, baby. It's 2020. You've been so patient. Oh, I kept you waiting.
Beautiful as always. They always deliver. I love their wigs. I've never received one that I didn't like. I've tried like some blonde ones. When it comes to colored wigs, Ashimary, they have some beautiful options. This wig is beautiful. You guys know I do rock this color a lot, and it's very flattering on my skin tone. Even if you're a little bit darker, it's gonna look so good, but the light skin girlies can pull it off too. It's just beautiful, y'all. Super soft, like no bad smell. It actually smells pretty nice. The length, guys, it is definitely giving longer than 26 inch. So it is definitely styled length. Thank goodness. Would you guys rock this color? If you haven't tried a color like this, don't sleep on it. Definitely recommend. Go over there and check them out. They have beautiful wigs, and tell them I sent you. Anyways, guys, those are all my thoughts for today. I hope you found this video helpful or informative. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. It really does go a long way. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye for now.